Nice. So how do you see yourself in 10 years? And anything you have recently learned in your life and you want to share with us?
Yeah. I can't say where I am in 10 years because I never planned like this. I'm kind
Okay.
of, I have adopted the mentality of living day by day.
Nice.
um, but I know what I want to achieve in my life, and that is to stop aid in at least in the biogas sector. And for
Okay.
this, I have founded together with African and European partners from the sector an initiative called BioGas Unite.
Mhm.
And with this initiative, we want to first of all fix all broken biogas systems on the continent,
Okay.
because what prevents the development or the success of biogas is the bad reputation. So let's first fix the reputation of biogas by fixing these systems, making them work, and keep them running by providing proper customer service. So it'll be a Pan-African repair and customer service for
Mhm.
biogas systems. And in the second phase, of course, we want to kind of phase out aid by mobilizing the private sector to, yeah, to raise their voice for a fair environment, a free and fair market for biogas entrepreneurs, so that they can be protected from market distortion, protected from free products, just like we have it in industrialized
Mhm.
nations. We have competition laws, we have anti-dumping laws, so that nobody comes and provides any product that somebody is trying to sell for free.
Mhm.
Yeah. Um, we need this in Africa, I believe, and then development and private sector and economic development can happen. And if we in the biogas sector can show that this is what's really needed, and then we can find a new role for aid to play, be it promotion, be it training, be it providing loans for entrepreneurs or end users. That's to be developed. But this is what I want to achieve. I'm not just a biogas entrepreneur who wants to sell biogas technology. That's way too small for me. We have to do more than that to be successful and to to make biogas a real option for people in the long term. Yeah. And solve so many
Nice.
problems with it, because of course it's not just the cooking energy,
Mhm.
it's deforestation, it's climate change, it's waste management, it's soil fertility, agricultural production, and so on. There is
Yeah.
nothing that you can't solve with biogas nearly, yeah, and it's income generation. So yeah, but the conditions need to be right. And
Mhm.
before we spend our time disseminating biogas systems with aid money, we might as well use our time to set up a sector that can function without aid.